Hey folks, no intro this time around because I'm trying to keep it short and to the point. This will be another review video, but I will explain my drawing process with text overlays at points that might be interesting for everyone. I hope this will be an entertaining and useful video for both movie fans and drawing enthusiasts alike. So let's get started. And summer is here, which means we have another sequel to another comic book movie. But I think everyone agrees that this particular comic book movie was something special. Deadpool was a loud and potty-mouthed, annoying but lovable mercenary who constantly broke the fourth wall. And he's back with his shenanigans. So, let me answer the question of, is this a money grab sequel or will it capture the charm of the first movie? Well, let me break it down for you. I have a love-hate relationship with time travel movies. I love the concept of time travel, but it is almost impossible to execute it in a way that won't cause a paradox. To their credit, they try to circumvent this problem by not explaining anything about the time travel, which sort of works for me. The main plotline is Cable coming back from the future to kill a kid who will become an evil mutant there. Deadpool, for some reason that I'm not going to disclose here, is trying to protect the kid and puts together a team, X-Force, to stop Cable. And from here on, the aforementioned shenanigans ensue. While this might seem a bit too simplistic, the flesh of the story comes from the characters, mainly the growth of Deadpool, Cable, and the supposedly dangerous kid. We have pretty good character arcs and quite enjoyable performances. No one was questioning Ryan Reynolds' ability to be the annoying but lovable Deadpool. But I was a bit worried about Julian, whom we also saw in Hunt for the Wilder People. Mostly because child actors can be very hit or miss, but I think other than a couple of annoyances I had with him, he did a great job with his character. I can't say anything bad about Cable. Josh Brolin had a simple character, but he pulled it off well. Also, damn Josh Brolin, he is having a great year. As for the X-Force team that Deadpool put together, fantastic characters and great use of them. I think the badass Domino fanbase will grow a lot after this movie. Action-wise, I felt there is a lot more here than there was in the first movie, and to be honest, I found most action set pieces here to be more entertaining as well. It was obvious that they had a higher budget, which Deadpool also made quite a lot of fun of. And I feel just like last time, this self-awareness and Deadpool's jokes are what makes the movie. I found myself laughing way harder and maybe more often than last time. So yeah, if you go into this movie expecting what you got last time, there is no way you are going to be disappointed. It's a very fun summer action blockbuster that makes fun of other contemporary superhero movies. But it doesn't shy away from poking fun at itself either. Keep in mind, it is a summer superhero movie, so don't expect a masterpiece. But I would definitely recommend it for all audiences. It's a great time at the cinema. And movie fans, pop culture or comic book fans will get even more out of the references, especially out of the after credit scenes, which were hilarious. This was my short review of Deadpool 2. Don't be afraid, there is going to be a more drawing related video up tomorrow, but I really wanted to do a quick review of this movie because I had such a great time with it. Seeing how much I enjoy movies, I'll try and do these review videos whenever I have some extra time. Maybe I can keep a more regular schedule now during summer when more blockbusters are coming out. I'm curious what you think of these reviews. If you have any feedback, please leave them in the comment section below and leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. I hope you are having a great time at the cinemas and see you folks next time. Bye bye.